Right, Jay, Get Paid Network checking in, and we are going to look at some NFT stuff today. Now, a lot of times you guys kind of don't get to see things from my computer perspective, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a lot of stuff a little bit different. We're going to show you guys some of the computer perspective. We're going to show you guys some live action, but today, because we're talking about NFTs, we're going to be online, so we're going to switch over to the computer so you guys can kind of see what's going on from here. We're in.
If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, ridebuyscash.com.
All right, so we've switched over to the computer and we have pulled up Opensea. So how Opensea works is Opensea is the platform where you can either sell or buy your NFTs. Now, in this case, we're going to actually be doing, what we'll do is we'll go to the home page because I'm actually not on the home page right now because I was actually doing something else. But we'll go over to the home page and do some exploring. So this is pretty much how it works as far as your NFTs and the options you have available. You'll see top art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, sports, trading cards, utility, and virtual worlds. So when you just seen my screen, you actually noticed that I was probably on virtual worlds. I was looking at some real estate in the metaverse. That's what's so cool about the metaverse is I can buy real estate, I can buy trading cards, Gronkowski, sports. I can still pull up probably some of the stuff that's showing up under trading cards, but I guess there's more stuff under sports. Photography, of course, you understand how photography works. To me, that's kind of self-explanatory, but in a way it might not be, but it's art that you can start making money off of. Same with music, art. It's kind of similar to royalties as far as selling your NFT if you kind of set it up the right way. And domain names, that's going to be like websites. You'd be surprised on how that domain name that you have may be worth value. I don't know. Maybe I could put mine on there. Getpaidcash.net. I don't know. Maybe that's a domain name that I need to check out. See if I can do something. But I mean, I already used my domain name, but I don't know. I don't know how this works. Guess we can take a look. But what I do understand, what I'm going to be helping everybody with is going to be their setting up their NFTs and how to get into setting up your own NFT. Of course, you're going to have to create an account. And I'm going to go over all of that in the class. I'm not going to go over that right now because I'm trying to keep this video short. And let's see, what else? Did I miss something? Domain names, collectibles. Collectibles, that can be open. Like, I don't know if you heard of CryptoPunks, rap CryptoPunks. Collectibles can be open. These are what CryptoPunks look like. If you're familiar with the CryptoPunks, these are the CryptoPunks. But different collectible CryptoPunks. If you understand the pricing, we'll go into that too. This price is in Ethereum, not dollars. So I'll show you what that 99.9 Ethereum is $312,000 for this CryptoPunk. This CryptoPunk is $312,000. It's a lot of money in this situation. I promise you. That's 99.9 crypto. I just wanted to show you that. I mean, there's plenty more. Let's see what this one is. This one is 104 Ethereum. See what that is in American dollars. $325,669.76. This is the price of a Bentley. This is a Bentley crypto. Some people buying Bentleys, riding around in Bentleys. Some people buying this. That's pretty cool. So this is just a sum up of what OpenSea is about as far as NFTs. And what I do is I do another video on Solara. Solara is another source for selling your NFTs. Now, OpenSea is probably one of the more known projects to deal with. So that might be why these prices are higher. So when we go over Solara, you'll see that the prices are a little different. It's actually a little bit cheaper, but less eyes are on it. So, I mean, kind of have to take it how you want to take it. But there's other options to selling your NFTs and buying NFTs. But I just kind of want to go over what OpenSea was and how OpenSea is set up. It's, like I said, all of these here, you kind of choose which direction you want to go with your NFT. But as far as selling them, now, of course, with OpenSea has some high gas fees. So that's part of the reason why OpenSea has high gas fees, because a lot of people know about OpenSea, but OpenSea has high gas fees because that's how they make their money. So Solara, the gas fees are a lot cheaper. Matter of fact, you can get going a little bit faster with them, but that doesn't mean that's going to crank your sales up. So kind of just depends. We'll do another video regarding how you can actually raise money for your business by selling NFTs. That's a whole nother video, but I'm gonna make sure we do that video next. So if you want to see that video, stick around. Maybe hit the next button so you can watch the next video, and we'll put that together next. But anyhow, so I just want to show you a little bit about OpenSea and how NFTs are sold on OpenSea. Well, basically break down the categories. You pretty much know what it is that you're selling. If you have a collectible, maybe if you have a trading card, maybe if you have a good picture that you took at a game or something, and you have a picture of maybe a celebrity, and that can be worth money if that's what you're looking at. Or maybe you're thinking about just buying something and reselling it. There's virtual worlds where you can do that. So it's plenty of ways to make money in NFTs, but we just talked about a few of them, and we're going to go into how to raise money with your business selling NFTs. Anyhow, Rod J, Get Paid Network. Do what you do. Talk to you soon.